Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about Avalanche today to try to figure out if the crash is over for this particular cryptocurrency, because if so, then that means that this time right now is an opportunity to come in and purchase this cryptocurrency to ride the market higher. You guys can see I already did a price prediction in Avalanche on May the 17th, 2023. Looking for just that. Looking for the price in Avalanche to go down. That is exactly what the market did. You guys can see price completely fell off a cliff since my price prediction. So I'm not surprised to see the market down there around $12.82. Congratulations to those who's able to profit off that move lower, because this price prediction did. So now let's talk about the market in Avalanche to see if it actually has made bottom, because if so, then we need to come in and anticipate that price is about to go higher. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this area of support, because the market here in Avalanche has decided to come through and hold support at $11. Now, zooming out, I mean, we're still seeing the price here in the market in Avalanche trending down. So when you think of that from this perspective, the market is not bullish. Okay. So we can take this line and now create what has been the downturn here in Avalanche. Okay. So our attention is still going to focus in on how weak price is. Not only is price trading below this downtrend line, we can also see price here in Avalanche getting rejected here. Okay, so what's going on into the market here in Avalanche? Zooming in on the chart, you guys can see that this is where the buyers are currently buying the sellers out. Okay, because you can see how price is just congregated and it's just simply trading slightly below this $13.76 price. So the buyers are currently absorbing. They're trying to accumulate all of the sellers who have been positioned here, who initiated this sell-off back in May. So that's what's going on. The buyers needs to continue to confirm this though, because we understand that the overall movement right now is weakness and to the downside. And this is why this is such an important area for us to get continued strength. That's a bullseye. The market here right now in Avalanche, the buyers they need to continue to show us that they want to come through and purchase this currency. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Okay. So you guys can tell that this $13.76 area, this downtrend line is still applicable into the market in Avalanche. Let me go ahead. I really want us to focus on this trading channel. Okay. Now, I do like this 2-day price bar right here for Avalanche. I like that because it tells me that the market is definitely trying to move higher. Here's Avalanche on the 3-day chart. Okay, so as of right now, the emphasis of really pushing the price up in Avalanche is waning. Yeah, we're not seeing that emphasis as we did on these two 3-day price bars. We're definitely taking a break in that movement to the upside in Avalanche. You guys can even see it here on the 5-day chart. We're definitely still here seeing some selling into the market in Avalanche, albeit it's not extreme. I like Avalanche right here on the weekly chart. That last weekly price bar is definitely conducive for us to contemplate and say that price is definitely a little bit more bullish. But look at this. Let me extend this line over. You guys can see even back here on the week of March the 6th, this price level was acting as support. Now it is acting as resistance. Isn't that amazing how the chart gives you all the information that you need to figure out what's anticipated to happen next? So in order for us to really see this price in Avalanche break out, we need to see it take price above $13.75. Okay. So currently I'm thinking that we are in a wait and see period into the market in Avalanche. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. This is where the selling, like I told you, was coming in around $13.75. This is where it began. And we're still seeing wickedness and selling now. Okay. Let me look at this on a 13-hour. So really, we really need to see the market in Avalanche come through and buy. I can see buyers possibly trying to hold the market around $12.50. If they don't hold $12.50, price could come down to like $12.15, give or take. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply chill out on this video here in Avalanche. I'm not going to drop a price prediction. My price prediction would be, though, we need to get confirmation of continued buying right now, i.e. we need to see the market come through and hold support, namely right now. Okay, so we may actually see the market in Avalanche grab support now, and then the next day, tomorrow, actually see the market break out. Okay, because I really don't see a lot of selling coming to the market in Avalanche. So as a matter of fact, I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and drop a price prediction. Like I said, we don't want to see the market in Avalanche ultimately fall below 12 bucks, but if it does, we have this area right here at 11 to hold support. Okay, now let me give you my targets real quick. First one is here at $13.75. You guys can see that 7% move to the upside in Avalanche. If we definitely see the market break above $13.75, then my next target for Avalanche would be here. $14.45. That's 12.3% move to the upside in Avalanche. So I'm just going to drop it right there on those two targets, because I really want us to see the buyers break this $13.75 first. Because if they don't, then I already know that we are already hit the highs back here on the 24th. I'm sorry, on the 25th and 26th of June. So let's see what happens there first. All right, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.